closer now.
Mark.
All right, you guys can you just text me these pictures? I'm not good at this.
Yeah.
Another way I can make sure nobody gets knocked down by the snake.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Of course, now nobody's going to come up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's horrible. This is so trippy.
Good morning, Christina.
Oh my god.
Wait. Give me that mug. Very handsome. Very handsome.
Never mind. I would have died.
Running the office is like,